amazing would it be if you did not have to rush out the door early in the morning to a job that all you need to do is follow and be bossed around? Now, this is one of the main reasons why a lot of people want to learn how they can make money online. It's not just about the money. It's also about the freedom that we have when we're working online. And I'm going to show you an amazing website in today's video that's going to help you make so much money online, up to $700 every single day. Everything is free, worldwide available, and doesn't require any skills or prior knowledge of anything at all. I'm going to show you different tips and tricks that you're not going to want to miss. So if you know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. Before I get into today's method, okay, I want you guys to look at this page in the Kindle book of the website Amazon.com. When you go down below, you're going to find a lot of people are using this platform to sell ebooks, and that they are getting and being really successful. Now, this is 100% free. You're not going to need any experience or money at all to be able to use it. All you need to do is copy and paste from a done-for-you template that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, we're going to be making a lot of money online together in today's video, so you have to watch it till the very end. So I want you guys to visit Visme.co as your next website, and this website lets you produce amazing and professionally done ebooks that you can sell for a very high price without any skills or knowledge. Now, these are the 3 easy steps for the entire procedure. First step is to select a done-for-you template. Now, there are a ton of templates available for you that you can choose from. And then number 2, you're going to select a done-for-you template, and you're going to pick and edit anything you want. For example, you can edit the text, the font size, the font color, anything you want, you can change and edit. And step number 3, you're gonna start publishing on Amazon and earn a lot of money online by doing so, okay? Now, it's free and it's done for you as soon as you get on this website's homepage. I want you to click on the create button. You're then gonna scroll down, you're gonna choose documents, and this is gonna take you to a page where you can start creating stunning, amazing documents, which means making an ebook, basically. And again, there is no cost, no payment whatsoever. It's free. Now, I want you to click on this blue button, and then you're going to be brought to a page where you're then going to be able to sign up for a free account anywhere around the world, and you can start creating your very own ebook. You're going to enter in your name, your email, your password, and then you're going to click on the blue register button to complete the entire process. And then you're going to be brought to this page. What do you want to use Visme for? Okay, after clicking the register button, I want you to select personal, okay, in this example. Now you can log into your dashboard and you can start creating your own ebooks. You can see that there are a ton of different documents by scrolling down below: reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and the like. And we're gonna search for ebooks. So you're gonna bring this bar, and then you're gonna click on the ebooks icon. And as soon as you click on that icon, you're then gonna scroll down to see a ton more templates that you can select from. All that you can choose from are all very beautiful, very professional, and there are hundreds of different done-for-you templates that are available to you that you can just click on to have everything done for you 100% automatically without charging you a dime, okay? And I want to give you our very first bonus advice. Now, there are a ton of ebook categories on the Kindle that you can sell on this website, and I'm sure you guys had an idea on that. But what exactly do I mean, okay? And I'm gonna get into that, okay? I'm gonna get into that in a bit. But before that, if you guys want to learn how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check our description box down below, because we have something there for you that I know you guys are going to love. Make sure you check the description box down below to earn more money every single day. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see. So our future videos will be based completely off of all your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas. So make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. For example, there's arts, photography, business, money, teaching, and education. And what I want you to do is focus on the health, fitness, and dieting topic, because it is the most trendiest one, and the most profitable one and has the least amount of competition. Now, as soon as you've decided on the category you want to focus on, in this case, which is health and fitness, you're going to look up a template appropriate or something that matches this type of category. And for example, we're going to select this template, and this is a very professional looking one. It's perfect. It's for health and fitness. And then you're going to click on the preview button. It's going to let you see the contents of the template. For example, this is a table of contents, the cover photo. You can see that these are all of the pages in this templates by scrolling down below. And these are all done for you templates, okay, to show people how they can lose weight. And there's already a lot of information as it is included with the template. And this ebook has been already completed for you. All you have to do is copy and paste it. Now, once you've made up your mind that this is the template you're going to choose, then you can just click the blue Use This Template button. You can then access this new page to edit and change whatever you want. You can add also if you want. And one of the reasons that I love and appreciate Visme is that they provide you with an ebook cover photos that are both professional and beautiful. You can see the table of contents as well as information on the pages by scrolling down below. However, the good thing about it is that everything is done for you, so you're free to leave anything alone if you want. The author's name needs to be changed when you access the ebook's homepage. You can put in your name or a nickname. You can change everything you like with this template, including the title of the ebook, which can be changed to a health secret. And when you are already contented with it, and you can download the button up top, and then you're going to be taken to this page after selecting. You're going to click on the download button. And then you can download this on your computer and your phone, so don't even worry. And I'm going to give you another bonus tip that's going to help you increase your online income even more. Now, this website is called freeplrdownloads.com. And on here, you're going to find a ton more free ebooks that you can easily copy and paste and download. You can choose from a ton of different categories, and they're all done for you. Again, we're going to concentrate on health, so you're going to go ahead on the health link to be able to see that section. And there are a lot of done for you ebooks that you can get for free by scrolling down below. For example, this ebook, the only thing you have to do is click on this ebook to be taken to this page. You're going to see a download button, and then you're going to click on that. Obviously, again, download it on your phone or a computer. It doesn't matter. And then that's pretty much it. You can download it for completely free. This website has a total of 8 pages on which you can find a ton of different ebooks in the health area. After downloading every ebook in the health category, you can move on to another category like self-help, relationships, love, internet marketing. You can choose from a ton, again, of different ebook categories, start selling on Amazon, and make a lot of money online using the free plrdownload.com website. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's finish up. The next step is to download your ebooks from Amazon after getting them via free PLR download or Visme. We are now going to visit kdp.amazon.com. We're going to go to this website, start publishing our ebooks, and earn money from them. As you can see, they get to market fast. The publishing only takes less than 5 minutes, and your books appear on Kindle stores worldwide just in 24 hours. You're only going to need to click the Don't Have an Amazon Account button and then sign up button to proceed, and then you're going to get to this page that you can access your account and log in. If you're completely unfamiliar with Amazon, scroll down below to New to KDP, where you can also register for a KDP account. You can access this website, register for your free account anywhere around the world. Just enter in all the information they are asking of you, and just like that, you can upload all of the books that you've prepared and earn a ton of money from it. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.